So let's talk about social media. Probably many of you have already used social media to drive traffic to something interesting or just for your own personal branding. If you've already have professional channels or company business channels on all these media platforms, then you are familiar with some of the concepts that I'm going to share. However, I will talk more about creative ways we can use social media in order to drive traffic to our website, to our landing page as cheap as possible. So these are some of the platforms that I'm using regularly for my own business and for the businesses that I'm helping. Instagram is very big. LinkedIn, a very neglected platform, which is helping me a lot when it comes to personal branding, getting jobs, getting contacts with the right people. Facebook and Snapchat. So these are some of the ones that I'm using regularly. But of course, as you know, there are many, many more. So when it comes to paid social media, so as you know, all these platforms exist for free. So how do they make money? Well, one thing is ads, and it's actually becoming stronger and stronger for all these platforms that I mentioned. LinkedIn has ads, Facebook has ads, Snapchat has just introduced some amazing ad formats that are available now for self-service. So all these platforms are using some kind of advertising. But the problem is, if you've watched The Social Network with Mark Zuckerberg, is that if you have ads on a social media platform, then it makes it less cool. So all these companies are looking for ways to make these ads look cool and to be actually very relevant to the person who is seeing them. So when it comes to getting the right audience, this is the absolute key when it comes to social media marketing. When it comes to paid ads, here I have highlighted a couple of ads that appeared on my Facebook feed. And just I wanted to show you the differences between all these things that we are talking about. So the post above is an actual organic post. It's actually by Condé Nast, their Travelers magazine. It's really, really beautiful article. They have really good engaging content, which has, as you can see, a lot of social interaction and appears naturally. Then below, this is the so-called suggested post, or this is an actual advertisement. So if I click on this ad, the person who has posted it, in this case, EpiServer, is going to be charged depending on what they're bidding and depending on many other factors. And the one on the side is also an ad. So what's the difference between these two? Oh.